Hi guys, you guys know what this video is going to be about. It's about the Sephora spring sale event. I'm going to share with you guys my haul, all the items that I picked up from the Sephora sale this time around, and I'll share some other items that I had not shared in my previous video. Obviously, I did a get ready with me. I did this look, the hair and the makeup on my TikTok. I did a little video TikTok, and a lot of people asked like a little tutorial on how I did my hair and makeup, so that's what I had done in the previous video, so be sure to check that video out. This video obviously is just on gonna be the Sephora sale and like my recommendations for that. But anyways, if you guys want to see like makeup recommendations, go check out my previous video. I've linked a lot of the items that I used here on my face and like what I recommend as far as like makeup. Okay, so a little info on the Sephora sale. The Sephora sale actually started on the 1st. It started off with Rouge members. So for Rouge members, you get 20% off. For VIP members, you get 15% off. And then for the insiders, you get 10% off. So you can sign up with them. And then just depending on, of course, how much that you spend, it depends on the tier you go to. But anyways, let's go on to this haul. Okay, so a lot of the items that I picked up from the sale are pretty new items that I haven't tried yet and that I've been wanting to try. I've just been waiting for the sale in order like for me to pick it up, because a lot of times the only time that I really do shop is during the sale. But anyways, let's dig into this one. Okay, this is like a repurchase because I always have to make sure that I have this in stock. Me and my girls love this lip mask. It's the Laneige lip sleeping mask. They have like different flavors of it. The original one, I love the original one, but I'm like pretty much out of it. I also like this one too. It has like a little bit of a plumping effect. It's their Laneige lip treatment balm. The lip sleeping mask also comes with like a little spatula too, but this is the balm. It's like a little pink color and it gives like a little tingly feeling to the lips. But yeah, I love this one. I grabbed another one of the gummy bear because the girls love the flavor of the gummy bears. So yeah, we always do this before we go to bed, and then I always use this too before I like do like my makeup and then like the morning time too. Then I picked up this one. It's the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleanser. Love using this one to clean my brushes. So I got this from Costco. I don't even know if they still have it in Costco, but it's their like brush cleanser where you has like this little device thing where you stick it into like the solution. I ran out of the solution obviously, which is why I picked up the Cinema Secret ones, but you just dip it into the solution and it just like spins, like you can clean it and it like spins and like air dries it. I love that, so that's why I picked up this one. This one actually comes with like a little tin container too. I also picked up this one's actually, so The Ordinary, there's like certain brands that are not included in the sale. The Ordinary is actually one of them, but this is one that I've actually been wanting to try. It's the glycolic acid toning solution. I saw it on TikTok. There was like a video sharing this is actually really good for like hyperpigmentation. So if you have like this here, so like my bikini area, I have just like really just like this dark rough skin, so this stuff like actually helps to like brighten it up. So I can't wait to try, see if this one like really works. But this one's only like $10 too. The Ordinary line is like such a good deal, I feel like. And I actually used this one. This one I probably would recommend also. It's the Ordinary peptide serum for hair density. Kind of helps to thicken up your hair, and I've noticed a lot more growth too on my hair, and that's how my hair has gotten like so long, was because of this. I have not been consistent with this though the last like month or two, but I noticed the beginning of the year, like the first 2 months when I've been consistent with this actually has helped with my like hair growth and just like to help thicken up, make it like a little bit more thicker, because I feel like I've lost so much hair since I had Leia. I picked up this one. I looked at the reviews. So I've been using the Olaplex number 3 like hair treatments every like 2 to 3 weeks on my hair, but I saw this one. This is the K18 Biomedic Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. That's a lot to handle, but supposedly this helps with like hair breakage, and I still have like a lot of split ends and stuff like that from just like coloring my hair, but I still have some split ends, and I read like a lot of good reviews on this one to kind of help fix some of that split ends. Oh my god, this stuff is like so hard to come by. I was like searching through all the Sephora's, looked at my local Sephora's here in San Diego, and I actually found one of the stores that had my shade. This is the one that I had like in my, I like had saved in my cart for like the longest time because I've been waiting for the sale to get it, and it's always sold out. But luckily I found one of the stores that had my actual shade. My actual shade is the 5.5 tan. Like they use it as like kind of like a primer, but that's what it looks like on, and then you just kind of blend it in. I'm excited to try this during like the summer because I don't really use like a full face of makeup. I just kind of use like a tinted moisturizer and then that's it. But oh, look at it, just blends in so nicely, and I'm super excited to start trying this. This one has been like one of my top purchases that I've been wanting to get. This is actually came in the mail. I had to order it in the mail and I opened it because I wanted to see it. But this is the silicone bath brush. I have sometimes I get like breakups in the back of my, like the top of my back, and I've been looking for like a good brush. A lot of the brushes that they sell like in store is like really rough on the skin, and I don't like that. And I saw this one, but it's like a silicone brush, so it's very hygienic, and it comes with this like little massager thingy in the back, and then you can just kind of hang it in the shower, which I like. And also with the Sephora, you guys, the Sephora products, they're 30% off for the sale. And then I grabbed this one. This is the Inkless Retinol. This one has like a lot of good reviews on it, but really want to try this one. I'm kind of slowly trying to transition into using retinols at night. Right now I just use less like a basic serum at night, and then it's more like a lactic acid kind of serum at night. But I kind of want to transition into using retinol because I hear, you know, retinol is really great for like anti-aging. But yeah, there's a lot of good reviews on this one. The next one, this Charlotte Tilbury. So this one's another one that I really wanted to try. It's the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. It's the Beautiful Skin foundation, and the color that I am is 8 Warm. But this is what the bottle looks like. That's what it looks like on, and just like blending it in, it's already like, it feels really nice on the skin. So I'm super excited to try using this during like the summer. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. Charlotte Tilbury, I am loving some of the stuff that she comes out with. In my makeup tutorial, I shared the 2 brow products that I use, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze and the Patrick Ta Brow Wax. I've been so into like this whole feathered brow look, or like the lamination brows. I've been loving it, and I saw this one. This one's like another one that has like a lot of good reviews. It's the Refi Brow Sculpt. So it looks like this. I wanted to try this for my brows and wanted to see how it does as far as like doing that like feathered look. So I can't wait to try this one out. Next one is the Sephora Micro Smooth. I saw this. This is like another one that I saw on TikTok. But somebody had used this on like their face. Literally just grabbed a brush, like kind of like one of these like foundation brush, and just kind of like swirled it on, and it literally just like filtered out her face. And so I'm super excited to try this one, and this is a Sephora brand, so it's 30% off. And then I wanted to try this Summer Fridays. It's the Light Aura Vitamin C Peptide Eye Cream. This is what it looks like, and it supposedly helps to brighten the under eyes. So the one that I'm using right now is the OleHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is like one of my go-to under eye creams during the morning or like during the daytime. I love this because it like brightens up my under eyes, and it helps to like reduce some of like the dark circles. This one has pretty much the same kind of effect supposedly. And I love Mariana, and I love following her, and this is part of her line, and I'm super excited to try this one. This item I had in my cart. I saw this one just came out recently. It's by Sol de Janeiro. It's their new moisturizing cream. I love the regular Boom Boom moisturizing cream, and then I also liked, it's like in a orange kind of bottle. This one, it's the Beja Flor Elastic Cream enriched with retinol mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen. So it kind of helps to plump up the skin and make it look more youthful, you know, because this mama's not getting any younger. And I need whatever I can to stay young. I'm super excited, and I heard that it has a really nice subtle scent too. But honestly, I love all of their creams anyways. All their creams smell so good. Oh, this one smells so good. It has like a subtle like rose type of scent. Oh, smells so good. Also, I'm super excited to try this one. Last items I picked up are these ones. I use their facial sunscreen, and I wanted to get their Play. This is for like the summertime, of course, for when we go to the beach, but I picked these ones up for that reason. It's their antioxidant body mist sunscreen. Pick this one up. I kind of wanted to get like that big bottle, but we always take these to the beach, and so I wanted to get something that I can just kind of like throw in the beach bag, and so I grabbed 2 of these ones. That's it. That's what I had picked up from the Sephora sale. Now let's go into some of like the recommended items that I would recommend you picking up. They're like my go-to products from the sale that I always like tended to pick up. Okay, going into all of my most used items, like the items that I grab on a day-to-day basis. First one, of course, is SPF. You always have to wear SPF every single day. This one is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. There's also like the glowy one, which I haven't tried, but I do love this one. This one's just like a clear sunscreen. It was on the face very smooth. It looks really great underneath the makeup, so that's why I love this one. This, I always make sure to pick up the big bottle. They have, so this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. I use this on my hair. I do it like 1 to 2 times a month, and it really helps with like hair breakage. I love this thing, but yeah, it lasts me so long, so I always make sure to pick one of these up from the sale. These 2 from OUAI, I have just absolutely been loving. You guys, I had this for like over a year, and I still have like quite a bit left on there. But this is the OUAI Rose Hair and Body Oil. It's my favorite to just kind of like bring moisture back into the ends of my hair, especially like when I curl it. And then this is the leave-in conditioner. I love spraying this throughout my hair. Whenever I have my hair wash days, I spray this product into my hair and I just kind of like leave it in. Sometimes I'll do this into my hair, and then I'll add a little bit of this when it's wet too, just to kind of help bring back some of the moisture into my hair. And I love the smell of this one. This is like their BYREDO collab scent. It smells so sexy. It smells so good. For like, in order to like prep my hair for whenever I use like heating tools like curling irons or like my hair crimper, I always use this one. It's the Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Hair Primer. I just spray this throughout my hair before I do any like curling or crimping or straightening or whatnot, and this kind of, it helps to like protect my hair. Also, as far as like hair conditioners, these 2 are also some of my favorite leave-in hair conditioners. This one is, I flipped it upside down because it's like thick. It like, I have to like always shake it to like bring it down. But this is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. It's like a leave-in conditioner or leave-in styling cream. But yeah, I like, sometimes I'll like intertwine between these ones and then between like these 3 whenever I like wash my hair. But lately I've been using this Olaplex and then this one by OUAI. And then this one was like, has been like always my go-to too. This is like the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Their hair mask too. which is in the shower. I don't have that right now, but their hair mask from this line is the bomb. It's so good. And then for dry shampoo, this is my go-to dry shampoo. It's the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I love this because this kind of helps to soothe my scalp too, because sometimes I do get dandruff on my scalp. But I've been doing really well at like really washing my hair. Like whenever I have my hair wash days, I wash my hair really good, and I use that scalp scrubber thingy too whenever I wash my hair to kind of help remove some of that like buildup and stuff, and that's kind of really been helping too. But I love this dry shampoo for in between my washes to use, and it gives like some volume, and it just removes all like the oil. So now going into skincare, these items are like my top skincare items that I absolutely love. So this one is the Farmacy. So this one actually came in like a 3-pack. This is their Farmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This is my absolute favorite to use to remove all my makeup. So I always do like a 2-step process whenever I clean my face at night. I always do either a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil first on my face, and then I'll just like wash my face with like a regular cleanser. But this has been my absolute favorite and my most highly recommended like skincare product. I actually have like the big bottle now of the regular green clean cleansing balm. It is the best, and it is a clean product too. Also from Farmacy, their toner. I love using toners. So every time after I cleanse my face, I tone, and I've been using these types of toners that have like BHA, HA in them to really help to like exfoliate and cleanse like my pores. This one is my favorite. It's the Deep Sweet Pore Cleaning Toner, and it has 2% BHA in it. Another toner highly recommend is the Paula's Choice. Very similar to the Farmacy. This is a clean version, but this one is good too, and I absolutely love it. This one also has 2% BHA in it. I use this right after I cleanse my face every single day, in the morning and in the evening. I forgot to mention this in my video, but this is the BareMinerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. This is probably one of my most used products that I use during the spring and the summer, because like I said, I only do like very minimal makeup, and if I do makeup, it's like a tinted moisturizer. This is my absolute favorite, and it matches my skin perfectly. The color that I use is Spice 08. All right, you guys, that is it. That is everything from the Sephora sale that I highly recommend and what I had picked up from the sale. Be sure to check out my previous video where I show you how I did this look, including my hair. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any other videos from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are shopping the sale, be sure to check out my links down below for all the items that I picked up and all the items that I recommend. And don't forget to check out my previous video where I did this makeup look and hair as well too. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Happy Sephora shopping, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.